Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make pasta with tuna sauce. So here we have the ingredients: mushroom, carrots, bay leaf, and bell pepper. Now we have tuna, tomato sauce, cook onion and garlic together. Then add some mushrooms. Then mix everything together. Then add all the vegetables and cook for a few minutes so that the flavor comes out. Keep stirring. It looks good and smells yummy. Make some space for the tuna, then add the tuna. Then cook for a few minutes. Add in tomato sauce or pasta sauce. Add some water. Mix. You can add more water and cook for a few minutes. Now we cook the pasta, and when it's cooked, drain it. Then we boil water for broccoli. Then add the broccoli. Then cook for a few minutes. You can save some and put it in the freezer so that you can use it for next time. Add in some white sauce. Then mix it. Add in the pasta. And mix it. It looks yummy and smells good. Add in a slice of cheese on top and keep on mixing. When the broccoli is fully cooked, drain it. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.